Everyone wants healthy, vibrant hair. It boosts our confidence, it makes us feel good. But sometimes hair grows slowly. This can be frustrating. We want quick fixes. Luckily, there are natural ways to encourage faster hair growth. This essay will explore these natural methods. We'll look at the science behind them. You'll learn practical tips to apply in your daily life. Get ready to unlock the secrets to faster hair growth. Naturally. Natural oils have been used for centuries to enhance hair growth. Coconut oil is a popular choice. It's rich in fatty acids that nourish the scalp. Massage warm coconut oil onto your scalp, leave it on for a few hours or overnight, then wash it out with a gentle shampoo. Castor oil is another effective option. It's thick and rich in ricinoleic acid. This acid is known to promote hair growth. Apply castor oil to your scalp and hair. You can leave it on overnight for deep conditioning. A balanced diet is crucial for overall health, including hair growth. Hair follicles need specific nutrients to grow strong and healthy. Protein is essential. It's the building block of hair. Include lean meats, fish, eggs, and beans in your diet. Biotin is a B vitamin that supports hair growth. Find it in eggs, nuts, and seeds. Iron is important for carrying oxygen to hair follicles. Eat spinach, lentils, and red meat to boost iron intake. Stress can impact hair growth negatively. Find ways to manage stress. Exercise regularly. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation. Scalp massages can stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles. Gently massage your scalp with your fingertips for a few minutes daily. This can encourage hair growth. Many myths surround hair growth. Cutting your hair doesn't make it grow faster. Hair grows from the root, not the ends. Brushing your hair 100 strokes a day won't speed up growth. It can actually cause breakage. Focus on gentle detangling instead. Natural methods take time to show results. Be patient and consistent with your routine. Don't expect overnight miracles. Stick to a healthy diet, use natural oils, manage stress, and massage your scalp regularly. Over time, you'll notice positive changes in your hair growth. Beyond oils and diet, other natural remedies can help. Aloe vera soothes the scalp and promotes hair growth. Apply aloe vera gel directly to your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing. Rosemary oil stimulates hair follicles. Add a few drops to your shampoo or conditioner. You can also massage it directly into your scalp. Everyone's hair is different. What works for one person may not work for another. Pay attention to your scalp and hair's needs. If you have a dry scalp, use moisturizing oils like coconut oil. If your hair is oily, opt for lighter oils like jojoba oil. While we all desire luscious locks, true confidence comes from within. Embrace your natural beauty. Focus on keeping your hair healthy. Remember, hair growth is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process and celebrate the progress you make along the way.